If you're thinking of trying HeadShots.fun, the brand new AI software that's blowing up right now, this video will walk you through the 7 most important things you need to know before you dive in. And trust me, number 6 is something most people miss, but it makes or breaks your results. By the way, you can try HeadShots.fun completely free from the first link below. I've tested hundreds of AI tools, and this one caught my attention for a reason. Let's get into it. HeadShots.fun uses AI to generate professional, studio-quality headshots using just a few casual photos you upload. It's built for creators, entrepreneurs, job seekers, and pretty much anyone who needs a clean, polished headshot without dropping $500 at a photo studio. And the quality is way above what you'd expect from a typical AI image tool. This actually looks real. Setup is quick. Upload 5 to 15 photos showing different angles and expressions. And in under an hour, it generates over 100 AI-enhanced headshots with various outfits, backgrounds, and lighting styles. It's fast, it's easy, and you don't need any design or editing skills. Just point, click, and let the AI do the magic. What sets HeadShots.fun apart is how natural the results look. No uncanny valley, overly smooth skin, or weird distortions. It blends AI enhancement with photorealistic lighting in a way that makes your headshot look like you just came out of a $1,000 shoot with a fashion photographer. One thing I didn't expect, the business-oriented options. You can pick from corporate, casual, creative, or even actor model styles. So whether you're updating your LinkedIn, building a personal brand, or applying for roles, the software tailors your look to fit. That versatility is huge. Privacy-wise, they've got a solid policy. Your photos are deleted after processing, and you own full rights to the images. That's critical, especially if you're using these on resumes or professional profiles. Now here's where many people mess up. If you use low-quality photos, your results will be trash. No AI can save a blurry selfie. But if you feed it sharp, well-lit images, the output is incredible. Spend 5 minutes getting the input right, and the software does the rest. And yes, HeadShots.fun AI is mobile-friendly. You can upload and generate headshots directly from your phone, which makes it super convenient if you're on the go or just want fast results without setting up a photo shoot. There's a free trial, no credit card required, so you can test the quality before upgrading. I recommend running a batch, picking your top 3 headshots, and seeing how they look on your LinkedIn or personal site. It's a low-risk, high-reward upgrade to your online presence. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and HeadShots.fun is one of the rare few that actually delivers something visually useful, fast. Check the first link in the description to try it free. And if you want more of my top AI software recommendations, all free to try, they're also linked down below. Try it out and let the results speak for themselves.